If you guys have not seen part 1 of this video, I have been making a sweater, my very first crochet sweater, and it has been a journey, to say the least. I've been crocheting for over 10 years. My grandma taught me when I was like 6 or 7. I am now 22. So I have put in some years with working on my tension, learning new stitches, and all of that. But I've always just kind of avoided creating sweaters. I've done bras, I've done like some skirts, but I have always kind of strayed away from doing a full sweater, you know, one that you don't really need to wear anything underneath. I've done some mesh ones, but again, I want something that is going to be more functional and something that I can wear to work without having to wear like a full shirt underneath it. I can just wear like a tank top or something and be good. When I was in college, I had taken courses on construction and garments and fabric science, and it was so much fun. I have learned so much from that. And all of that I actually do apply to what I do, which is really fun. This year I want to focus more on one pattern at a time and working on actual patterns, creating my own garments, creating my own bags. I really want to work on that as a business this year and eventually sell patterns and, you know, gain my confidence more in this world of crocheting. And I have a lot planned for this year. I'm really proud of myself with not only my overall construction, since I am doing this freehand, like this entire sweater that I've been doing is all half double crochet. So I just wanted to get overall construction down and tension and technique and work out all of that before adding in different stitches and different types of patterns, like, you know, cable knits and all of that. I have learned a lot, and also applying my measurement skills and, you know, grading as far as different sizes. That all I still have to work out when it comes to crochet, so that's why I'm also not releasing any kind of garment patterns, at least for the foreseeable future, when it comes to like full sweaters, tops, dresses, skirts, all of that. I have been putting in the time and the work. I have made so many mistakes in this project. I have really just, this has been the trial and error for me. Like when I tell you I have pages of patterns and I have erased so many things on every single page in this book, and I'm just excited to finish this sleeve, and it's what I've been working on for the past like day or so. And I earlier today laid out everything to see how it would fit together, and it's all coming together, and I'm so excited. And I'm going to practice a lot of new techniques on this, so it's really going to be a trial and error kind of sweater. So I'm going to practice blocking and see how that affects the overall piece, how soft it makes the yarn, how it just makes it sit or fall better on the body, you know. So I'm really going to try out a lot of different things when it comes to the sweater. So I'm still going to record all of that, but I want to still put this out in real time. Guys, I did it. I finished the sweater and I'm so excited I could literally cry. Just as an update, I have been sick for the past week, and I have been down bad for literally the past 7 days, and all I've been wanting to do is crochet and finish the sweater, and I finally did it. I am so happy with how it looks. I'm obsessed. It's exactly what I drew up. It's exactly what I had in my brain, and I'm so happy that I executed it the way that I just had in my brain. Like, I really had no expectation of this being good or this like fully fitting me properly. And there are a few things that I wish I would have done differently that I'll get into in a minute, but overall I am so happy and so proud of myself that I actually finished this sweater. Oh my god, I am so happy with how this looks. I'll include some more like close-up videos with it more styled, all freehand, all based on measurements that I took and the fit that I was going for. And even though it's not perfect, it's done, and it's almost exactly what I had in mind, and I'm obsessed with it. I really love it. I'm so proud of myself. What do you guys think? This is the final sweater.
I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I honestly could not be happier with how this turned out, so Whiskey wanted to join. If you've been scared about starting a blanket or a sweater or anything in the crochet world, just start it, just do it. Learn how to crochet, it's the best thing ever, and yeah, I'm so happy that this is finally done, and I'm just really proud of myself. So yeah, I want to get into a little bit about what I would do differently and what I'm going to be doing afterwards with the sweater, so stay tuned for part 3 of this video. I'm going to be doing some blocking techniques and also talking about what I wish I would have done differently. So if you want to see all of that, stay tuned for my next video. And hopefully I sound better. I didn't want to leave you guys waiting for too long because I've gotten so many comments and so many DMs about wanting to see this project done, and here it is, guys, and I am so happy, and Whiskey's here to join me today with her beautiful blue eyes. Stay tuned for my next video, subscribe to my channel. I have so many more things coming your way very, very soon, and I will be releasing some patterns in the next few months, so So stay tuned for that, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and seeing how this fully turned out. If you want to see more behind the scenes, check out my other videos, my Instagram. If you love to crochet, join the family, subscribe, like this video, stick around, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye!